Hey everyone, welcome to DamageXcaling YouTube channel. We have finally reached 10,000 subscribers, and I would like to personally thank every single one of you that made this possible, that subbed to this channel, that keeps coming back for more tech, for Gene Tech, and I hope you guys keep supporting this channel in any way possible, either with Gene or any other character. We appreciate the feedback, the love, and of course I'm going to introduce you to new things in the future, the plans of this channel going forward now that we have reached 10,000 subscribers. And today I'm going to bring you as a gift a video on an opinion that why I don't use this tech anymore, at least not in the way that it used to be. And I'm talking about the Kazek setup, and I'm going to show you what is the Kazek setup first so you guys can have an idea. So in Tekken 7, this was the only way that Jin could get some form of Okizeme, but it still wasn't guaranteed. But in this game, Jin has Oki, and it's not even the Kazek setup. But you can do this, and then you do that. Sorry, stick is a little bit loose today. That is the Kazek setup, and Jin enters Zen and the opponent is side rolling on the ground. But in this game, ECD1 hits grounded, so you can do this. That is not guaranteed, the opponent can wake up and tech, but then there is a mix-up involved. If they try to stand up ducking, they are going to get launched by ECD1. Because ECD1 hits grounded, so it doesn't matter if they stay grounded or if they wake up ducking. Either way you win, and if they block it, you are at -13. So this is the reason why the pin is far superior in the game. But there is a second way of doing that, and that can be made with Kazek, but the Kazek setup isn't as strong as it used to be in Tekken 7. You can obviously, there are situations where you can do that, right? But you guys can see that the side roll did escape the setup, and the only way to actually keep them from escaping the side roll is by doing the ECD1 setup, which is still going to work. And if they stand up and try to block the ECD1, you can switch in between. And you do that, right? Because they are too afraid of the ECD1. But as you guys are seeing, even then the hell sweep doesn't hit grounded, so it sucks. But there is another reason why I don't use it, and that is on a backturn situation, which was when the Kazek setup used to be very strong. You could do that, Kazek setup, and then you do that, right? And there are times where this is not going to be consistent. There are times where this is not as consistent, and it whiffs, and for that you gonna have to replace it with the pin, and the pin is always going to be guaranteed no matter what. And it's one of the reasons why it's so strong. And even you can choose your knockdowns there, right? You can even do that. Gee, let's see if you can do it. Got to be fast. Unescapable. That is unescapable damage. And in front, if he's in front, he gets to do that, right? Very strong. And he can even do this. Too late. Let me. I'm a bit out of shape. Sorry, guys. Nope. I'm a bit out of shape, so sorry for that. Let me save here. Unescapable. So there is that, and that is something that the Kazek setup cannot do. So replace this with this. Replace this, right? This right here, which goes into Zen, and it's less advantage into this. This is far more. This is far more, and so for me, far more damage is hella relevant, right? Because on guaranteed hit, you can do that. Very strong. Alright? So keep that in mind when you play Jin. Kazek setup, not that great, unless of course you do it with the Brazilian kick now, which I would call it Kazek setup 1.2 or 1.3, whatever. I think Nonstop Kyo also talked about this. But the old Kazek setup is not as great because the pin is much stronger in this game, and Jin actually has Oki. Yes, I do plan to talk about Jin School Okizeme setups in this game. Is something that I've been cooking for a while now, but I do have other Jin schools to come out first, which we are going to upload in the future in the channel when I actually finish editing them and presented them to you. Just know that now that we have reached 10,000 subscribers, we have opened finally the channel memberships, and everyone who wishes to enter this channel membership, you can donate a small sum to the channel of $1 a month, and you are going to get access to early access videos and videos that I cannot upload on YouTube without being demonetized, like certain visions of some of the projects that I do upload in this channel that I cannot upload them without being demonetized and stuff like that. You will be able to watch those videos freely. They are going to be also ad free, no more ads for you, and we are preparing something for ahead. I cannot do this now, but the idea will be we are going to give some tiers to members where I'm going to be reviewing some of your matches, making coaching decisions, like going further with you with better internet actually, and we are going to revision some of your replays and coaching you live on your own stream, give you advice and stuff like that. We are planning, we are seeing how we are going to do that in order to help some of you growing. We have a Discord link in the channel, right in the link description, where we are gathering a lot of people that play Jin, and we hope to see you there. But this channel membership is just to give us a boost, obviously, and also in order for us to finally put out the videos that we cannot put on YouTube, and the people that subscribe to this model are going to get the video first, earlier, right? Are going to get earlier. This earlier can be a week, can be a month, I don't know yet, but we are going to take a look into that. So hope you guys enjoy, and see you guys on the next one.